Hello friends, this is me Vijay Shan again, presenting you the lectures on the current affairs for the upcoming JKSSB exams. Friends, this is the part first of the current affairs for the month of April. Friends, these MCQs are equally important for JK, PSC, UPSC and SSC exams. Part second will be uploaded tomorrow. And for the previous lectures on MCQs of January, February and March, please visit the links given in the description box. Okay, so let's begin. Question number 1. Every year, World Malaria Day is observed on option A, 22nd of April, option B, 25th of April, option C, 21st of April, option D, 26th of April. And the correct answer for this is option B, 25th of April. 25th of April is observed as World Malaria Day every year. The theme for this year's World Malaria Day was reaching the zero malaria target. Reaching the zero malaria target was the theme for World Malaria Day for this year. Question number 2. 22nd Commonwealth Games will be held at option A is Shanghai, option B New Delhi, option C Sydney, option D Birmingham. And the correct answer for this is option D Birmingham. Birmingham is a city in England. Okay, friends, the first Commonwealth Games were held at Hamilton in Canada. The first Commonwealth Games were held at Hamilton in Canada in 1930. Okay. And the previous Commonwealth Games, यानी कि 21st Commonwealth Games were held at Sydney. Okay. Question number 3. Every year, National Panchayati Day is celebrated on option A 24th of April, option B 22nd of April, option C 25th of April, option D 23rd of April. The correct answer for this is option A 24th of April. 24th of April is celebrated as National Panchayati Day every year. Question number 5th. Who won the Nelson Mandela Humanitarian Award? Option A is Romana Singh Sehgal, option B Neha Wariku, option C Narendra Modi, option D Sonu Sood. And the correct answer for this is option A Romana Singh Sehgal. Romana Singh Sehgal won the Nelson Mandela Humanitarian Award. Question number 6. Which country added the teaching of Hindu epics Ramayana and Mahabharata in its school curriculum? Is it option A US, option B UAE, option C Italy, option D Saudi Arabia? And the correct answer for this is option D Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia added the teachings of Mahabharata and Ramayana in its school curriculum. Question number 7th. Who has been selected as the Goodwill Ambassador of UNICEF? Option A Priyanka Chopra, option B Deepika Padukone, option C David Beckham, option D Virat Kohli. Friends, the correct answer for this is option C David Beckham. David Beckham is former English footballer who has been selected as the Goodwill Ambassador of UNICEF. Question number 8. China's first Mars rover has been named as Yenim, Lijiao, Zhurong, Tianmen. Friends, in the previous lectures, we discussed that Tianmen is the China's Mars mission. Okay, Tianmen. Here, the correct answer is option B, Zhurong. Zhurong is fire god according to Chinese mythology. In Chinese mythology, Zhurong is the fire god. So, China's first Mars rover has been named after Zhurong, the fire god. Question number 9. Who recently became 68th Indian Chess Grandmaster? Option A. Leon Mendowka. Option B. Gukesh D. Option C. Arjun Kalyan. Option D. G. Akash. Friends, in the previous lectures, we discussed that Leon Mendowka became the 67th Indian Chess Grandmaster. Okay? But the question is talking about 68th. So the correct answer is option number C, Arjun Kalyan. Arjun Kalyan of Tamil Nadu became the 68th Indian Chess Grandmaster. Vishwanathan Anand was the first one. Okay. G. Akash was the youngest and Gukesh D was the 66th Grandmaster. Okay. Question number 10th. Who came at the top spot of the World Energy Transition ranking? Option A is Sweden, option B Norway, option C Finland, option D Switzerland. Friends, the correct answer for this is option A Sweden. Sweden came at the top spot of World Energy Transition ranking. India's rank was 87th out of 115 countries. Out of 115 countries, India's rank was 87. WEF, World Economic Forum, comes up with these rankings. Okay. Question number 11th. Who became the new Prime Minister of African country Niger? Option A is Ahmadou Mohamedou. Option B Mohamed Bazoum. Option C Hama Amadou. Option D Hazomi Masadou. And the correct answer for this is Ahmadou Mohamedou. Option A, Ahmadou Mohamedou became the new Prime Minister of African country Niger. Question number 12. Who has been appointed as the new Chairman and MD of ONGC? Option A is Subhash Jain. Option B Rakesh Jain. Option C Subhash Kumar. Option D Manoj Sinha. Option D is Mohan Sinha. And the correct answer for this is option A Subhash Kumar. Subhash Kumar has been appointed as the new Chairman and MD of ONGC. Question number 13. What was India's rank in Global Gender Gap Report 2021? Option A is 43rd, option B 14th, option C 140th, option D 4th. And the correct answer for this is option C 140th. Okay. Out of 156 countries, India's rank is 140th. On the top spot came Iceland. Okay, Iceland holds the rank 1 and Afghanistan is the last in this report. This report is being prepared by World Economic Forum. Okay. So India lags pretty far behind when it comes to gender gap. Okay. Question number 14th. Who topped the Forbes annual world's billionaire list? Option A is Jeff Bezos. Option B Mukesh Ambani. Option C Kylie Jenner. Option D Elon Musk. And the correct answer for this is Jeff Bezos. Jeff Bezos topped the Forbes annual world's billionaires list. Friends, option C Kylie Jenner is the youngest billionaire. Okay, Kylie Jenner is the youngest billionaire. She is 23 years old. Question number 15th and the last one for today. Which country topped the World Press Freedom Index? Option A is Norway, option B Finland, option C Denmark, option D New Zealand. And the correct answer for this is Norway. Norway topped the World Press Freedom Index. Option A is correct answer. Option A. Friends, India's rank in World Press Freedom Index is 142. Okay, this is also important. India's rank and the top country in any index is important. Okay.